Over a decade ago, one of the hottest events was Sashi. People came from all over the world, and now with its grand return, I'm sure the trend will pick up right where they left off.
Sashi is back. Tonight it's all about the launch of Sashi, the ultimate experience. Sashi is back, and Mr. Osam is going to tell me all about Sashi right now. Like, what are you expecting from Sashi? I'm sure no, sir. You weren't born, you weren't around at that time, right?
Yes, I was not born at the time, but what I am expecting is a lot of great things. From what I'm seeing here at the launch, I can see that this is a big event that everyone should be a part of. And seeing that the Miss Universe Jamaica East contestants will be taking part, I think that it is something that you guys need to come out and see.
Foreign acts and multiple celebrities just hanging out, partying with us. As usual, you'll find movie stars, athletes, just about everybody.
Well-known record and guitar team right now. Sashi is back. What are the expectations?
Well, for me it's the first Sashi, and knowing festivals from Europe, my bars are said high, but at the same time I think it's gonna be a great experience from what I've seen from the years before. So I can't wait.
Sashi is back. Right now we're here with the beautiful Shanique, Miss Jamaica World. Talk to me right now. Sashi is back. What are the expectations right now?
I am feeling so excited about Sashi. I might be a little bit too young to know what it's like. Yes, experience it back in the day. It wasn't legal possible, you know. But I'm looking forward to the international act. But I'm also looking forward to what my generation of dancehall artists have to bring to the table.
You have been a part of Sashi and still being a part of it in this age right now. So, what else when Sashi is here?
Well, I want the most anticipated show right now. After what, 10 years? You know what I'm saying? Almost years. And it's back. I can tell the whole street anticipate. I can see the lineup. You know what I'm saying?
What are you expecting?
I want to man Sashi back. I expect to see me general particular performance Shelly.
Alright, right now there's a triplex right now. Superstar them come out. Yo, Sashi, what you say?
Why, Sashi from me a little bit there, brother. With that now. We've never been there. But you know, so we have to go over the sound of all our vibes. Because you know, say Keisha Cola come from Jamaica. One of my favorite artists that she me buy my ticket for her.
Plantation Club, St. Anne, Golden Babs, Uflex, RDC, Pop Pop Pop!
Seems like Sashi is gonna be an ultimate experience. Gonna be intense. Check it out.
Thanks, Richie. Of course, we'll have lots more Sashi updates as it gets closer. Now to the barrage of parties that will have everyone occupied.